How to make the best cold-pressed juice for skin and health. Introduction. In recent years, cold-pressed juice has become a popular choice for health enthusiasts and wellness seekers alike. Unlike traditional juicing methods, cold pressing extracts juice using a slow and methodical process that preserves the nutrients, enzymes, and vitamins from fruits and vegetables in their purest form. One of the most appealing aspects of cold-pressed juice is its ability to improve both skin health and overall well-being. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and hydration, cold-pressed juice can play a crucial role in maintaining a radiant complexion and boosting your immune system. This article will guide you through the process of making the best cold-pressed juice for skin health and overall vitality. We'll explore the benefits of cold-pressed juice, key ingredients for glowing skin, and how to create a juice that can help you feel your best inside and out. Whether you're new to juicing or looking to refine your technique, this guide will provide you with the information you need to craft delicious, nutritious juices at home. Why cold-pressed juice? Before diving into how to make cold-pressed juice, it's important to understand what makes this method superior to traditional juicing. Cold pressing is a technique where fruits and vegetables are slowly crushed and pressed to extract their juice without the use of heat or oxidation. This process helps retain essential nutrients, enzymes, and antioxidants that are often lost in heat-based juicing methods like centrifugal juicers. The result is a juice that's not only more nutrient-dense but also richer in flavor. Cold-pressed juices are filled with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help support various bodily functions. For example, vitamin C helps boost immunity and fight inflammation, while vitamin A promotes healthy skin. Additionally, the hydration provided by fresh juices can contribute to glowing skin and overall health. Key ingredients for skin health. When it comes to making cold-pressed juice that benefits the skin, certain fruits and vegetables are particularly powerful. Here are some of the best ingredients to include in your juice for glowing skin. Carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for skin health as it promotes cell turnover and prevents skin damage. Carrots also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce skin irritation and redness. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are made up of about 95% water, making them incredibly hydrating. Proper hydration is key to healthy, radiant skin. Cucumbers also contain silica, a compound that promotes collagen production, helping to maintain skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Beets. Beets are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals like folate, manganese, and vitamin C. They help detoxify the body and improve blood circulation, which can lead to clearer skin and a more vibrant complexion. Beets also help support the liver, an organ essential for detoxification and skin health. Spinach. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and iron. These vitamins help to promote healthy skin, reduce inflammation, and protect against oxidative damage caused by environmental stressors. The chlorophyll in spinach also has detoxifying properties, which can help cleanse the body from the inside out. Ginger. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory powerhouse with powerful antioxidants that can help reduce skin irritation and redness. It also has detoxifying properties that promote the elimination of toxins from the body, which can lead to clearer skin. Ginger can also aid digestion and improve circulation, further contributing to overall skin health. Lemons. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a key nutrient that supports collagen production and helps prevent wrinkles and fine lines. Vitamin C also acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Lemons help detoxify the body, promoting clearer skin and better overall health. Apples. Apples are not only delicious but also contain a variety of beneficial nutrients, including vitamin C and fiber. The natural antioxidants in apples help reduce skin aging and fight inflammation. Apples also support hydration and digestion, which can help maintain healthy skin. Pineapple. Pineapple is packed with vitamin C and bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain also helps break down proteins and aids digestion, which can prevent bloating and skin breakouts. Additionally, the natural sugars in pineapple can help maintain a healthy glow by providing a natural source of energy. How to make the best cold-pressed juice for skin and health. Making cold-pressed juice at home may seem intimidating at first, but with the right equipment and ingredients, it's easy to create refreshing, nutrient-packed beverages. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make the best cold-pressed juice for skin health. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. To make a skin-boosting cold-pressed juice, you'll need fresh, high-quality ingredients. Here's a simple recipe that combines some of the most effective skin-friendly fruits and vegetables. 2 medium carrots, 1 cucumber, 1 small beet, 1 handful of spinach, 1-inch piece of ginger, half lemon, 1 apple, half cup of pineapple. Feel free to adjust the quantities based on your preferences and taste. Step 2. Prepare the ingredients. Wash all your produce thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. For the carrots, cucumber, and beet, you can leave the skin on as it contains valuable nutrients. However, peel the ginger and lemon to remove any skin or seeds. Cut the fruits and vegetables into smaller pieces that will fit into your cold-press juicer. Step 3. Use a cold-press juicer. A cold-press juicer, also known as a slow juicer or masticating juicer, works by slowly crushing and pressing the ingredients to extract juice. This method preserves the nutrients and minimizes oxidation, ensuring that your juice is as healthy as possible. Simply feed the ingredients into the juicer and collect the fresh juice in a container. Step 4. Mix and serve. Once all the ingredients have been juiced, stir the juice to combine the flavors. Pour it into a glass and enjoy immediately for maximum freshness and nutritional value. You can also add a few ice cubes or serve the juice chilled for a refreshing treat. Step 5. Clean your juicer. After making your juice, don't forget to clean your cold-pressed juicer thoroughly. This will prevent the buildup of pulp and juice residue, keeping your juicer in good working condition for future use. Conclusion: cold-pressed juice is not just a trend, it's a nutritious and delicious way to improve your health and enhance your skin's natural glow. By incorporating the right ingredients into your juice, you can boost your vitamin intake, support detoxification, and promote hydration, 3 key factors for healthy, radiant skin. Whether you're looking to reduce inflammation, fight free radicals, or support collagen production, cold-pressed juice can be a powerful addition to your wellness routine. Making cold-pressed juice at home is a simple and effective way to ensure that you're getting the best nutrients possible. With the right ingredients and a quality juicer, you can easily craft juices that nourish both your body and your skin. Remember to experiment with different combinations of fruits and vegetables to find the blend that works best for you. Ultimately, a healthy skin starts from within, and cold-pressed juice can be the perfect drink to support your journey to glowing, vibrant skin.